This is the brief on AI Matrix Spillover. It's a membership platform designed to totally automate the exhausting process of online recruiting. Basically, it acts like a digital sales rep that literally never sleeps, leaving you to just focus on getting people in the door. First, let's dive into the automation engine. You get a referral link, and once you drive traffic to it, the system just completely takes over. It runs a done-for-you presentation, captures the leads, and fires off all the automated email follow-ups. So we just funnel the traffic and the AI handles all the nagging? You bet. Second, how do you actually get paid? Well, you earn through a 2x12 matrix plan. That means you make money not just from your personal recruits, but from the whole network they build underneath you. It runs $30 a month or $360 a year. But honestly, to fully maximize those payouts across all the levels, you really have to commit to that $360 upfront yearly investment to play the game fully. Finally, we absolutely need a reality check. This is not some magic button, guys, and there are zero income guarantees here. Your ultimate success relies heavily on your own hustle and team growth. To put it simply, the AI provides a really shiny engine, but you still have to pay for and pump the gas yourself, which is the traffic. Ultimately, AI Matrix Spillover brilliantly automates your pitch and follow-ups, but driving the actual traffic is still entirely up to your own hustle.